Today I'm going to be reviewing OPTIXCELL's book stand, laptop stand with light. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. The light, just a little light clip-on. You can put it anywhere you want on here. Now it takes 3 AAA batteries and it does not come with that, so just keep that in mind. Very flexible. I mean, absolutely wherever you need it, this is going to go. The stand itself is very tiny. It is very tight, and you want it tight, especially when you're using for laptop or anything, because you're going to be adjusting it every now and then. So this is what the front looks like. That's what it looks like collapsed. Very tiny. You can raise it from 1.7 inches all the way up to 12.5. If you put a book on here, you can actually have these little clips that come up. I'll show you a picture on there that will hold the pages off. So let's say you have a cookbook or something and you want it to stay on there, you can do that. Then you do have this lip here, so you can put a laptop. It's not just for books and reading. You can put a laptop. I have stands that are just like this with a metal top. It's going to work on this. Also on the bottom, you'll see a little area here. They can put pens, phone, anything like that. Total dimensions on the top is 13.3 inches here, 9.4 inches here, and on the bottom up to 6.7 inches, 8.6 inches, 9.2 across the bottom, and only a ½ inch thick here. Finally, what I really like to see is that this is an Amazon choice. It means people are buying it and liking it. It's got 4.7 stars, over 245 reviews, and last month 700 plus were bought of this book stand with reading light. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.